Jagoro mongirore migao mar Arita Dr. Raymond Omollo otelone apisa mamoko mag piny owacho mamalo kod mago ma counties ma Homa Bay e chenro mar chako ng'iyo ikruok mantiere motelo ne nyasi mar Madaraka Day ma higani ma idhi bagi e kaunti no. Nyasi mar Madaraka Day ma higani idhi bagi alap mar tuke mar Raila Odinga e boma ma Homa Bay, ka thoro mar wach e nyasi no biro bedo jiwo chenro mag dongruok mag nembe kata blue economy. Kwethno dhi nyime gi limo kuonde mopogore opogore ma sani sirkal gero ne ikruok ne nyasi no, kama oting'o alap mar ndeke ma Kabunde, alap tuke mar Raila Odinga, gedo mag apeini mopogore opogore e kind mamoko.
Now, each of those national celebrations are themed, and this year's Madaraka Day celebrations will be around the blue economy and maritime. And there is no better place to celebrate that than Homa Bay. Now, Homa Bay County, as we all know, has 80% of Lake Victoria on the Kenyan side, and we will have a week-long celebrations focusing on that theme, which will be spearheaded and led by Minister Dennis Itumbi. So this morning we've already visited the airstrip, which currently is undergoing renovation to improve it. We have visited the proposed headquarters of the county government of Homa Bay, which is also under construction. We expect that it will be ready in good time for it to be officially opened by His Excellency the President when he comes for the celebrations.
It is indeed a great honor, and we want to use this early opportunity to welcome Kenyans from every walk of life and the people of Homa Bay and the region on Sunday, 1st of June 2025 to the Raila Odinga Stadium here in Homa Bay for an epic celebration like no other.
As local leadership, we are going to do all that we can to make it memorable for all Kenyans, both locally and those who will watch it from abroad.
Johera mag duond bura